reflection and meditation on the Holy Gospel according to Saint Matthew chapter 16 verses 13 to 20. When Jesus came to the region of Caesarea Philippi, he asked his disciple, "Who do people say the Son of Man is?" Baskamlang, a well-known and one of the most important men in Nongma village. In his teens, Baskamlang was a professed agnostic. He was influenced in his conversion to Christianity by the good work of the Catholic missionary. After his conversion, he defended Christianity. During the crisis when plague attacked the villages and when he was interviewed by the Catholic priest, he talks about mere Christianity. He said, "I am trying to prevent anyone from saying the really foolish thing that the people often say about Jesus. I am ready to accept Jesus as a great moral teacher, but I don't accept his claim to be God. That is one thing we must not say. A man who is merely a man and sort of thinks Jesus would be a great moral teacher. He would either be a lunatic on the level with the man who says he is approach act, or else he would be the devil of hell. You must make your choice. Either this man was and is the Son of Man, or else a madman or something worse. If we accept him as God for great moral teacher, then we must necessarily accept him as God, for great moral teachers do not lie." In today's gospel, when they came to a pagan territory, Jesus asked his disciple, "Who do people say I am?" King Herod himself confronted the same question, "Who is Jesus?" Some said it is John the Baptist risen from the dead. Others said he is Prophet Elijah. Still others said he is one of the ancient prophets. Luke chapter 9 verses 7 to 9. Herod rejected the public opinion, but remained inclusive and non-committal, and thus unseeing and perplexed till the end. On the other hand, the same question was there before the disciple, "Who is Jesus?" The disciple rejected the public opinion like Herod, but unlike him, they responded accurately to Jesus' identity as the Messiah of God. One person who fascinates both believers and non-believers is Jesus Christ. One is the private, simple life of Jesus and the tremendous impact he had on history. A man born in a manger in a simple carpenter's family. He never went to school nor attended college. He never wrote a book until the age of 30. He was a carpenter and became a nomadic preacher. Well, 20 centuries have come and gone. Till today, he is a central figure of the history. Who is Jesus? Different people have said different things about Jesus. The rationalists said that Jesus never existed. They said that Jesus was a product of imagination. The others said that Jesus was a mere man who really existed. He did work upon the earth, nothing more. His disciple made up the story that he was divine. The moralists said Jesus was ethical teacher. His teaching, especially the Sermon on the Mount, is supreme example for that. The fourth one said Jesus had a messianic delusion. They said Jesus was strongly obsessed with thought that he was expected Messiah, and therefore he went about acting like one. The Christian socialist said that Jesus was a great socialist. He preached liberation to the poor and taught the social philosophy, all for each and each for all. The pacifist says that Jesus was a great pacifist, quoted what Jesus said: "If someone hit you on the left, show the right also." The millenarians said that Jesus was a millenarian. Jesus announced the exact date and time of end of the world, thus created a provincial scare. The Christian scientists said Jesus was only a spiritual healer. Still others who preoccupied themselves with the business of demonic said that Jesus was expert exorcist. Chesterton, a very reasonable man, said, "Each of these explanations in itself seems to me singularly inadequate, but taken together they do suggest something of a very mystery they missed." There must surely have been something not only mysterious but many-sided about Jesus, if so many sided about Christ, if so many Christ cream carved out of it. Then who is Jesus for me personally? The best answer to this question we can ask and we can get from the four Gospels. He is the panacea for all human ills. To the leper, he is healing. To the demon possessed, he is liberating God. To the Jairus' daughter, he is a life-giving God. To Mary Magdalene, he is forgiving God. To us, a sinner, he is a saving God. May our Mother Mary intercede for us and all the angels and saints. Praise be the Lord Jesus Christ. Thank you.